How to download apps from App Store without Apple ID password and Touch ID in Mac OS. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps from App Store without Apple ID password and Touch ID. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, launch the system settings on your Mac. Then tap on iCloud. Now select media and purchases on your right side. Here you will see two options. First, free downloads, and second, purchases and in-app purchases. Tap on always next to the first option, free downloads, and select never require. After that, tap on always next to the second option, purchases and in-app purchases, and select never require. Now, whenever you download any free or paid app from App Store, it will never ask you Apple ID password, and you can download apps without Apple ID and Mac password. That's all. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.